Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad. I hope all you dads out there had a wonderful Father's Day. And now it's time for our weekly planner. And here in the Midwest, we're going to have a tale of two seasons. We're going to have those of you in the western part of the Midwest and up in the Great Lakes. It's going to be fairly warm and dry for you. But those of us in the Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, and Points East, it's another story. Here on Monday, this starts showing up. You can see a lot of yellow colors. This is where temperatures are going to be below normal because you see that L there. It's going to produce a lot of clouds and quite a bit of rain, and also points towards the east and down to the southeast. Fairly dry there for those of you in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Missouri. Now, as we work our way on into Tuesday, this area of cooler weather starts expanding a little bit. Notice what happens on Wednesday. It even expands a little bit further towards the east. On Thursday, it's still there. And even on Friday now, we're starting to see some more yellow, cooler temperatures up in Michigan and Wisconsin. That's because we're going to see another system work its way in for you. So you're going to see a few more clouds, which of course then will be dropping your temperatures. Precipitation. There's that area of rain that I was talking about in the Ohio Valley and then points towards the east. Here we go on Tuesday. It does expand. In fact, any of you are thinking about taking a vacation along the outer banks of North Carolina and even the Carolinas and down into the southeast, it looks like this week is going to be fairly unsettled weather for you. Take a look. This is on Wednesday. This area actually expands a little bit. On Thursday, it's still hanging tight. We are now starting to see some more showers up in the Great Lakes area. That's the next system that's working its way in. And on Friday, that area expands quite a bit. So it looks like our lawns are going to see a lot of water this week. Now let me take you a little bit further south into the mid-Atlantic. This model map verifies on June 23rd. That's Friday, June 23rd. We do have a tropical cyclone out in the mid-Atlantic. Right now it looks like it's going to be heading west and then hopefully up towards the north. I'll be back with a tropical update over the next few days as we watch this system. But then there's another one that looks like it's starting to develop there in the Gulf of Mexico. I'm not too crazy about this one, but it is going to produce a lot of unsettled weather for those of you down in the southeast, in particular in the state of Florida. Again, if I see this developing a little bit further and continues to move in our direction, I'll be back with another tropical update. Until then, I'll be back on Tuesday with another Weather Classroom. I'm George, the Weather Dad.